Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here at the environmental health to renew my tattoo license, and here it is. I'm done, and I'm just waiting for them to call me for the schedule of inspection. Thank you so much for watching. Hey guys, I'm here now in the downtown. At ito na yung itsura ng downtown nila dito sa Fayetteville. Hey guys, I'm here now in the downtown. At ito na yung itsura ng downtown nila dito sa Sorry sa kadalanan guys. Solo flight. Solo flight kaya akong ba na tapulad kay bubaktas. So, ako na lang mag-tikaw-tikaw doon. Ay. Solo flight. So morning lang downtown diri. Still in North Carolina. So gipangita na ko ang car namo, butasa na ni si Michael. Mas mao ni ang dalan din. Gihangak na ko guys. Ara. Nakita na nako guys. Ang among car. Lagi.